Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram link on YouTube. Before you start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.instagram.com and hit enter. After the home page of Instagram opens up on your screen, make sure that you're logged in and then navigate to your profile by clicking on this profile option and then clicking on this profile option again. After you do that, you're guided to your profile. Now what you have to do is click on this browser bar or the search bar on the top of your screen like this. Copy this link or URL. Now what you have to do is open another tab and type in www.youtube.com and hit enter. Wait for it to load. Now after the home page of YouTube opens up on your screen, click on this profile icon on the top right corner of your screen like this and click on this Your Channel option. After you click on the Your Channel option, you'll be guided to this page. Now on this page, you'll have to click on this Customize Channel button. Wait for it to load. After you click on the Customize Channel button, you'll be guided to a channel customization page. Now on this page, click on the Basic Info button like this. Scroll down and find this Link tab. Now what you have to do is click on this Add Link button. Enter a title, let's say it's Instagram, and paste the URL that we copied here. Now all you have to do is click on this Publish button on the top right corner of your screen, and your Instagram link has been shared to your YouTube channel. Now if people want to see your Instagram, they will see it on your profile if they go to your About page like this, and if they click on this Instagram page link, they'll be guided to your Instagram profile. I hope this video helped you to link your Instagram or share your Instagram to YouTube. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.